Blends. Blends means what? Two letters put together. We hear two sounds. How many sounds we hear? Two sounds. B L. Bl. B L. Blur. B L. Blur.
Today we will see Indonesian consonant blends. Flo, apple, clap. Flo, and go flat. Glow,